What is up, guys? Welcome back, and we are at Cross Creek Lake fishing today. So, yeah, let's go and cast it over there. Close enough. Ciao, Justin. All right. There goes my uncle over on the other dock. All right, I always work this crawdad in. You got a black and blue crawdad on. If you guys could hit that like and subscribe button, that would be great for the channel. And if you guys could check out my other channel, King Cheese, that would also be great. I just saw Splash over there. Let's cast it over there. Oh, I had a little bite. Had a little nibble. This is just a channel where we fish. Because why not? You know, who doesn't like a good fishing channel? I mean, yeah. All right. Yeah, I think that fish is long gone. Oh! Here we go. Just gotta try not to drop my phone into 244 acres of river. So, y'all are right over Cross Creek Lake right now. Ah, dang it. We almost got our first fish today, boys. We almost got it. I casted like 5 times without you guys. So. Yeah, let's just work this crawdad in before we do something else. We got the Ugly Stik GX2 up in here, all right, and this thing has caught a power line and 2 little dinks. So yeah, this thing is fire. All right, make sure you check out Ugly Stik GX2 right there. Oh, wait, like this. Yeah, there you go, Ugly Stik GX2. We got 15-pound braid on. Oh, dang it. I thought I had one on. I was confused for a second. I was like, hold on, do I have a fish on right now? Okay. Ooh, what was that? Let's see. Oh yeah, this crawdad's good. We got the black crawdad with blue flake. It's just gonna catch a big one right here. Guys. Hold on, I gotta put this thing in the rod holder real quick. Let it sink. Alright, there we go. We're good. We're Gucci gang gang. Alright, might have to tighten this thing. By the way, guys, I have a freaking LED headlamp strap on here. Okay? So, you guys might be falling a lot today in this video. I'm saving up for a GoPro. Okay? Yeah, today's gonna be a fun day. Just gonna be casting. It's like 1 o'clock right now. We got rain coming. Oh, did you see that over there, guys? See that splash? There's something over there. I don't know if I can cast that far with the crawdad. I'm sure cast far enough with the weight on to catch a power line, but that's not the point, guys. Point is that whenever you go fishing, you have fun, all right? So, take it from me and have a good time fishing. Oh my gosh, is that a fish? Come on. I am so that was the worst cast ever. What am I doing? Right? I don't know. That fish might be long gone. Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah. If he's still there, dude, that crawdad's getting blown up. Oh, he's over there. He's right there, guys. Or that might be a blue geeky. All right? After this one, we might tie on a golden crankbait, or we might switch to a little bit of bluegill fishing and tie on a bluegill bait. Oh my gosh, every single time I have a cast out, there's another freaking fish jumping. See, the fish are really active because it just rained. So, we were gonna come out on the kayaks, but it was gonna rain again at like 1 o'clock, so we decided nope, because I've been on a kayak once before, and yo! Oh, my uncle's got a fish over there. I have 0. He's dead.
Got that hook in him.
Uh-oh. Well, he's flipped it over. He's trying.
Yeah, it was, he swallowed it a little bit.
Oh, no, I think he's gone already. Well, you lost the motor, you worm.
Yeah.
Oh, my rod's not long enough. Dang. Well, the bluegill's still pushing. Yeah, the bass isn't even trying anymore. I think so. All right, let's tie on a motor oil worm. What is up, guys? I got the power bait tied on, Texas rig. There we go. It's definitely not weed, but maybe it'll catch a fish for us today. Hopefully. That bass that was dead, guys. He's gone, and that bluegill. Maybe he's bass come up and ate it, but no idea where he went either. Maybe a bigger fish came up and ate it. That's just the cycle of life, guys. Oh shoot. Oh no, there he is. There's a dead fish. The fish that we thought was dead. There he is. Colin, your dead fish is still kind of alive. What is up, guys? I don't know why I'm saying that like an intro again, but yeah, we're gonna fish over here because that's where my uncle caught his first fish. It was nice. I think you guys saw it. He said, let it sit for me because I can't keep still for my life. But it is dumping over there. Holy moly. And then it's been almost 10 seconds, right guys? And then we just reel in. Did I get snagged? Oh, dang it, dude. Got something. Yeah, that is a really bad presentation. Holy crap, guys. Yeah, sure. It's dumping over here. All right. Okay. Yeah, it's dumping over here. My monster's getting wet. I need to take a drink. Oh yeah, it's dumping. Woo! Oh, it's dumping pretty good. Boys, we're going to get the rain jackets right now. It's dumping out here, guys. But it'll pass in a little bit, so we'll be good. We're gonna keep the video going. So, yeah. Oh my gosh. All right, back here. I got a jacket. Whew. It's dumping pretty nice. I'll see you guys down at the dock. Alrighty guys, we're back out here. I just had to take some time to, get the bait tied on, but we got the rain jackets and we're back out to cast on the power worm. Yep, I got it better presentation for the Texas rig. All right. All right. Dang it, guys. Stop falling. All right. I'm such folly type. If I get a bite while you guys are dropped, it's your guys' fault, not mine. All right. So don't blame it on me. Okay? Don't go blaming it on me. The freaking birds are still out. They're dedicated. They are ready. See if my what? Oh yeah. Alright, what are we gonna tie on next, boys? What do you think? After the power worm, what do you think we're gonna tie on? Topwater frog? Whopper plopper? What are y'all thinking? We're thinking I don't know. It's pretty rainy. I don't know if they're gonna go for top water. We could go for a crankbait. We could go for a spinner. Bunch of spinners. We could go for spoons. I don't know. It's not like we're live, but somebody's screaming, saying, put on the whatever. Okay. Oh no, he came off. He was freaking biting that thing for a while. It's your guys' fault. Y'all couldn't pick no freaking frick. Y'all got my line all tangled. I'm just joking. Oh, dang it, dude. Oh, we could have had our first fish. They are biting on them. Oh, dang it. It's Snag City. Oh my gosh, he was on my worm forever. Holy crap, he about took the whole thing off. That felt like a nice one too. Felt like a good 2-pounder. I know some people from Florida are gonna say, oh, that was the fish I caught when I was 2. Because that freaking PB is 70 pounds. Freaking Florida. I'm joking. I like Florida. I've been there a few times. It's pretty nice. Really hot though. Gosh. I guess somebody... Actually, never mind. Yo, somebody tagged the vegan teacher. Send this to her. I want her to see fishing. Because... Oh, yeah, that's like... fire Texas rig. Oh, yeah. Another fish. What are we doing over here? Might have... What? I think we might cast over here, guys, or maybe where my uncle's catching a bunch of fish over here. See, are there any on bed, guys? Are there? I don't see any. Take a cast over here. Nice. Did you catch one? Holy crap! Oh my gosh, Colin. That's like a 2-pounder.
He's probably 1.5.
Close to 2. Oh,
You're filming?
yeah, I'm filming.
Yeah.
That's
He's over a pound, but he's not huge. That's bigger than the last 2.
Yeah.
Got a little bit of a belly on him, or her. Probably a her.
Yeah. Nice one.
Laying right up against the dock.
All right. I'm wearing my new belt buckle.
Yeah? So you got, what are you using? You
Same
using the
thing.
motor oil worm?
Yeah.
All right. One down here.
All right. I get it on a really good Texas rig.
Pitch it in. See this, like these weeds here?
Yeah.
So you see there's an opening between the weeds and the docks?
Mhm.
Just pitch it. Now walk over to where I'm at. Just kind of tickle it nice and slow this way. Just nice and slow. Bounce your rod up a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Every once in a while, do some of that. Go ahead, bounce it again a little bit. Just to make sure yeah, just like that. Keep the slack. Like, you don't want it to be tight. You want it to be like that. All right, go ahead and wind it in. Do this. I haven't done anything over here yet. Do the same thing. Come right here. Pitch it in right as close to the weeds as you can without getting it in the weeds. And tickle it right along, it's nice and tight against the dock. There you go. Good. Now pull it a little bit. And just kind of drag it in. And bring it up. Do the same thing again. Try to get it as tight as you can in there. Pull it up out of those weeds. There you go. Now just let it sink. Give it a shake. There you go. Just let it sink right there. Usually, 9 times out of 10, they're going to hit it right on that initial drop, that initial sink. That's at least what I've found. And just let it, let it sit nice and still for a little bit. That's all. Get right in there, and I just let it sit. Keep the line semi-taut, not, you don't want to be pulling it, but